Vyond versus VideoScribe. In this video, I'm going to compare these two softwares so that you can get a good understanding of which one you would like to use. So this is Vyond and this right there is VideoScribe. So what I'm going to do is compare pricing, features, and the actual videos that you can make with them. And then finally, I'm going to show you how you can get free trials and use them, and then you can get going. Now, before we do that, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say this. I won't leave any affiliate links in the description. This is just my honest opinion and me trying to bring value to you guys. So if you appreciate that, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. And with all of that being said, let's get started. Let's start off with Vyond. So I'm on the website right now. What I would like to do first is go to Showcase and then go to Customer Videos so that we can get a decent understanding of what you can create with this specific software. And then after that, I would like to do the same with VideoScribe, although that's probably easier to just scroll down and then show you some of their own videos that they're showing. But these are from customers from Vyond. So if I just click on this one right there, we should be able to get a good understanding of what you can make. Let's play this, and there we go. So this right here is a news format which then transitions into an actual story. Now, if I click on this one as well, we can see that you can also create some different type of videos, because this is an actual human being, but what they did with the software is created the animations on the background and then also the animations on the screen. So this is like the normal animation, and that's the main thing you can do with Vyond. So that's pretty cool. Now, if we're going to talk about VideoScribe, you'll see that it's pretty similar. However, this is more focused on the whiteboard animations. So you can see that if I just skip through, this is more like that whiteboard animation style where you're also going to do storytelling, which you can do amazingly with these softwares. But this is more focused on text. As you can see, they do have characters and vectors and all of that as well. However, there's a huge difference between them, because you can see with these, you'll see more animated stuff like this. And with VideoScribe, you don't really have it like that. So if you're doing, let's see, if you want to do these like animation style videos, definitely go with Vyond. But these are the main differences between the styles, so how they actually look. But let's take a look at the actual software itself. So what you can do, by the way, is if you simply go to the website, click free trial in the top right corner, and you can also click on free trial right there for VideoScribe, and you can then get access to them. So if you want to test them, do that, and you'll end up right here and right here. That's what I did. So what I would like to do now is simply show you how they work, and then just show you a few simple examples of what your video could look like. So this is Vyond, and this is how it works. So on here, you will see your track. So this is going to be your video. Now, I played around with this. So as of right now, it says welcome to HTD, How to Digital, which is the channel you're watching. And right there, I can also add text if I want to, but I would like to show you how you can add a new scene. So for that, what you could do is click on the plus right there. You can then choose from a template, or you can continue the last scene. So if you want this scene to be longer, you would click right there, continue last scene, or you can add a blank one. But I'm going to choose a template so that I can show you how easy it is to use. So what you could do is click right there, business friendly, whiteboard animations, and contemporary. So let's say that I want to do a comparison. What I could do is simply click on it, and I'll then see all of these templates just like that. So if you simply scroll through them, you'll find all of these templates that you can use for that specific category. Now let's say that I'm going to click right there. I will then add this as a scene. I can see this truck and then the car. What I could do is simply change colors by using this, and you'll see that it should change. So it's changing the background right there. But that's pretty much how you can add a scene. Pretty simple, pretty easy to do. Right there, we've got text. So if you simply highlight that, you can change it. So let's say that I want to put in Vyond versus VideoScribe, just like that. I simply type that in there, and it would then show up. It's as easy as that. Now what you can also do is simply click right here, and then you can exit effect, you can do motion paths, you can enter an effect, and you can change the colors just like that. You can see the tires are changing. So you can customize all of it by simply using the simple layout / software on here. Go to video contents and you'll see everything that's in that specific clip. Now you can also go to the animated characters. If you click got it and then click right there, you can change their expression. So let's say that you want them to be angry. You simply click angry and you can see that his face is actually changing. Now if I do that again, I can go to smiling, I can go to laughing. You can pretty much do anything and you can see it changes. So that's pretty cool. But that's how you can start building your entire video by using Vyond. You can add charts, you can add text, audio, characters, you can upload images and videos, which is cool. But all you need to do is click plus, choose a template, go back, choose one of these 3 options. So you can go catering, charge, whatever you would like to go with, maybe finance. You can then click bank, ATMs, ATM driving through. You can get all of these, which is pretty cool. So we've also got this, you're richer than you think. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can use Vyond. It's pretty simple, but I like it because the quality of the clips are good and they've got some pretty cool animations. If we go to VideoScribe, it's pretty similar. So what you can do is click create a new scribe, and this is whiteboard animations. So that's the main difference between the two. This is more focused on animations, like normal animations and characters and stuff, and VideoScribe is more focused on whiteboard animations. But let me show you how you can do this. So what you could do is simply add a new image, a new text, or a new chart. Let's say I want to add a new image. I simply click right there. There we go. It's then going to load in the library. So this might take a moment or two, but it shouldn't take too long. But I'll get back to you guys once this is done. And there we go. So what you can now do is search for items, or you can simply scroll through and then choose one of these and then upload one of these. So you can see that per category, or at least for business, they've got 17 pages worth of vectors and images that they can animate. So let's say that I need to add the PayPal logo. I would click right there. It's then going to upload. Then you can place where you want it to show up. Let's say I want this in the bottom left corner. I can drag this over there and then we're good to go. And that's how you would start building the entire video once again. If I need, let's say I need people, you simply scroll through, you find one that fits for your video, maybe this guy because it's business related. You would simply drag, oops, that's too much. Once you've put them in the right position, what you can do is simply click on play from start in the top right corner, and it will then start playing your video. You can see what it looks like. Now you can see the VideoScribe is in the background because this is still the free trial. However, if you decide to actually go with the software, of course there won't be any watermarks on the video. But this is how this works. You can see it looks pretty cool and it's very easy to use and to make a video with. What you can then do is simply add music, or you can record and add a voiceover, or you can even draw and do some background stuff yourself. So what you could do is go with any of these, or you can simply choose any of these. Now, as you can see, that actually changes from a whiteboard animation to a more darker animation background. But that's pretty much how you can use VideoScribe. So the main difference between them is that if you're looking for actual animations, I would go with Vyond every single day of the week. However, for actual whiteboard animations, VideoScribe is probably better, because if we go to Vyond and we add a scene from the template and we go to the whiteboard animations, you can see it does work and it is pretty good. Let me add this. You can see if I just play this, let me preview, just to show you guys what this one down looks like. But as you can see, yeah, it is pretty cool as well. I wouldn't say there's a huge difference. However, VideoScribe is made for whiteboard animation specifically, but Vyond is made for both. However, that's pretty much Vyond versus VideoScribe. In my opinion, I would go with Vyond because it's a better software and they have more features, more options, but that's just my personal opinion. Hopefully this gave you a good insight into which one you'd like to go with. If it did, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.